In this video, you'll see how to set up fine-grained permissions for AWS Marketplace sellers. With this capability, AWS Marketplace sellers can precisely control access to the various sections within the AWS Marketplace Management Portal. By incorporating fine-grained permissions into policies, sellers can better ensure users only see and act on information according to their role. AWS Marketplace is phasing out two legacy permissions: upload files and view settings. The deprecated permissions have been replaced with 17 new ones. This sample policy incorporates the new permissions required to grant access to view the seller account settings in the AWS Marketplace Management Portal. Let's navigate to the portal and view the settings page. This role can view basic information, but it doesn't have permissions to view the other tabs. Next, let's see how each of these functional roles can be set up with its own IAM policy to enforce precise access control over sensitive information. This sample policy for bank officers grants permissions to manage payment information in the AWS Marketplace Management Portal. Let's open the console as a bank officer and update the banking information. We have access to the banking information but are restricted from viewing the tax information. Likewise, we are restricted from viewing information on the other tabs. This is an IAM policy for tax officers. From the Payment Information tab, tax officers can go to the tax dashboard to input the required data. This dashboard was restricted from view by bank officers. This IAM policy grants permissions to a Know Your Customer or KYC compliance officer to complete the KYC compliance form. As a KYC compliance officer, we can access the Know Your Customer tab and update the KYC compliance requirements specific to our region. We can utilize other permissions in our IAM policies to manage access for secondary KYC users, AWS Marketplace email contacts, pending tasks, and support tickets. You've just seen how to set up fine-grained permissions for AWS Marketplace sellers. You can learn more about this topic in the description and links for this video. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn to try.